Sri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 4th Subject Social.
Good morning to all. Welcome to online class. Previous class we have finished lesson 8 India Forest and Wildlife. Today we are going to learn about lesson 8 book exercise. All of you take the page number 52. I read the book exercise. Assessment work. A. Answer the questions orally. Name any three natural resources. First question. Name any three natural resources. இயற்கையான வளங்கள். ஓகே, இயற்கையான வளங்கள் மூன்றை எழுதுக. என்னென்ன நேம்லாம்னா vegetation, soil, water. Vegetation, say the spelling. vegetation. Vegetation. Soil, soil. Water, water. Water. Okay. Second question. What is the other name for evergreen forest? Say the answer. Evergreen forest are also called rainforest. Say the spelling. Rainforest. 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 Third question. What is the other name for monsoon forest? What is the other name for monsoon forest? Monsoon forest are also called deciduous forest. Say the answer. Deciduous forest. Say the spelling. DECITUOUS. Deciduous forest. FOREST. Deciduous forest. Fourth question. What type of forest cover a major part of our country? What type of forest cover a major part of our country? Say the answer. Yeah, deciduous or monsoon forest cover a major part of India. Deciduous or monsoon forest cover a major part of India. Say the spelling. Deciduous. DECITUOUS. Deciduous or monsoon. MONSOON. Monsoon forest. 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 Cover. COVER. Cover a major. MAJO or major part. PART. Part of OF India. INDIA. Deciduous or monsoon forest cover a major part of India. Okay. Next B. Tick the correct answer. First question. Which of the following is not a natural resources? Which of the following is not a natural resource? என்னன்னா A. Pulses. Option A. Pulses. B. Minerals. C. Vegetation. D. Soil. Say the answer. Option A. Pulses. Pulses is the correct answer. Option A. Pulses. Second question. Which tree grows well in the delta of the Ganga river? Which tree grows well in the delta of the Ganga river? Option A. Somu. B. Sesam. And C. Ebony. D. Sundari. Say the answer. Sundari. Sundari tree. Okay. Option D. Option D is the correct answer. Okay, next third question. Which of the following does not grow in deciduous forest? Which of the following does not grow in deciduous forest? Option A. Teak. B. Silverfire. C. Sandalwood. D. Mahua. Say the answer. Option B, silver fire. Option B, silver fire is the correct answer. Fourth question, coniferous trees grow mostly in. Coniferous trees grow mostly in. Option A, deltas, B, desert, C, mountains, D, Tera. Say the answer. Option C, mountains. Option C, mountains is the correct answer. Option C, filling the flanks. First question, the first form of life on the earth was dash. Say the answer. The first form of life on the earth was. Answer, plants. Spelling, say the spelling. B-L-A-N-T-S, plants. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Okay, second question. The rosewood trees is mostly found in dash forest. The rosewood trees is mostly found in dash forest. Say the answer. Evergreen forest. Say the spelling. E-V-E-R-G-R-E-E-N, evergreen forest. Third question. Mangrove forest are also called dash forest. Say it again. Mangrove forest are also called dash forest. Say the answer. Tidal forest. Tidal forest. Say the spelling. T-I-D-A-L, Tidal forest. Fourth question. The Royal Bengal tiger lives in dash only. Say it again. The Royal Bengal tiger lives in dash only. Say the answer. Sundarbans only. Sundarbans only. Say the spelling. S-U-N-D-A-R-B-A-N-S, Sundarbans. Okay, next. Fifth question. The national birds of India is dash. The national bird of India is dash. Say the answer. Do you know? Yeah. Peacock. Peacock is the correct answer. The national bird of India is peacock. Say the spelling. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. All of you see the picture. This picture is related to the 8th lesson. Just let's give the brain work. A. See the pictures flow and name the trees. இந்த மரங்களின் பெயர்கள் என்னலாங்கிறத கண்டுபிடிங்க. Okay. Just find out of the name of these pictures. I will answer in the next class. Okay. A. அதாவது மரங்களின் பெயர்கள். Next B option. See the pictures flow and the name the animals. இந்த விலங்குகளின் பெயர்களையும் கண்டுபிடிங்க. நான் அடுத்த கிளாஸில் ஆன்சர் பண்ணுறேன். Okay, we will meet you in the next class. Thank you.